announcing my first ever art store where I'll be selling my own art prints. Yeah! Who else is excited? Because I am very hyped up and very excited. For an artist, there is nothing better than sharing your artwork with the people who admire and love your work, and that's why I am so happy to announce this, that I am going to start selling my own art prints. So I was actually not going to start selling so early because I wanted to focus on more on YouTube, on more creating videos and content. But for creating more awesome content and for increasing the quality of my videos, right now I really need some monetary support, and that is the main reason why I'm starting to sell. And if this works out well, I'll be able to create so much more and so much better. I'll be able to finally complete my studio where I draw and make videos, make content. I'll be able to get a better mic, a better camera, and basically upgrade so many things which I wanted to in my studio, in my setup. And at the end of the day, I'll be able to create much more professional videos and much more awesome content for you guys. So the main motive behind selling my art prints is that I'll be able to raise funds for making more better videos and to finally complete my setup and upgrade a lot of things. And that's why if this works out well, it will be a huge step towards my dream. That is why it means so much to me. This would help me so much to achieve my goals, but at the same time I wanted to give you something equally good in return, which is worth it. And that's why I am selling only the best of my drawings so far I have drawn on my channel. So I'll be selling on Redbubble, and as I mentioned, I am selling only my best drawings so far. So here are all the drawings that I'm selling. There are a total of 17 drawings that you can choose from, and all of the drawings are drawn and colored with Copic markers. I've also ordered a few samples where I'll show you how the prints will actually look and how the packaging will be. So first let's talk about packaging. When I received this package, I was so impressed with the packaging because it came out like this. So this is how you will get your prints. I was really impressed with the packaging because this material is really tough and really hard, which will make sure that the drawing is not damaged and it is delivered in the best form. So there is nothing to worry about the safety of the prints. They will be in really good shape because of the good packaging. Now let's see how it is inside the package. So you can actually open it from both the ends, but let's open it from the top just by pulling it out, and there we will have our print inside. So let's have a look. It will look something like this. It will be in rolled form obviously, and the art print will be inside this small plastic bag. So I ordered one of my best artworks so far, which was Izuku Midoriya's drawing, and this one is an art print. There are more options available which I will show later in the video, but for now let's have a look inside and let's see how the art print looks like. So you just open up the plastic and pull out the art print, and there we have the art print of my Izuku Midoriya's drawing. I hope you can see it nicely. So when I got it, I was so impressed. Initially I was really confused that it might not be as good as my original drawing, but after getting this print I was really impressed with the quality. It looked just like my original work. Yes, the quality was so good that it just looks like my original Izuku's drawing. I literally fell in love with this one. I don't know, I have the original of course, but this one still looks damn good and it is very close to the original one. Now this is the smallest size in art print, which is actually quite big. It is almost similar to an A3 size drawing paper, and then you also get the medium size, the large size, and the extra large size. Now let's have a closer look to the quality and the details of the art print. The quality of the print is really high, and you can actually see all the strokes that I made by using my Copic markers, and you can also see the blending which I did with my markers very clearly. The colors look exactly the same like my original drawing. I use the best scanner possible for scanning my drawings, which gives out really high resolution and high quality prints. And with all of the drawing prints, you will also get my personal signature at the bottom of the drawing, and also the date on which I drew that particular drawing. Quality of the paper is also really good because the paper is quite thick, even thicker than my drawing paper. So this is really good because it will be more durable, so it won't be easy to tear or damage the print. So that was the art print for you guys, which looks really incredible and looks so similar to my original work. Now let's have a look at the other options we have other than the art print, and it is the photographic print. Now this is the smallest size again, but the small size of photographic print is smaller than the small size of art print. This is almost very similar to an A4 size paper, but again the quality of the print is really good, just like the art print. Now there is a small difference in photographic prints. These are more shiny. The art print was very raw and very close to the original work. As you can see, it has a bit of shine on its surface, which is really unique, and it looks really good for a print. Now in photographic prints, you'll have two different options with different finishes. By different finishes, I mean this photographic print is of matte finish, and the one which I'm going to show you, this one is the metallic photographic print. So just looking by it, you can clearly make out the difference. The shine is different. It is much more shining, and it is actually, it looks quite metallic. I don't know how to exactly explain it, but this looks really sharp and really unique. And just with the difference in finishes, the entire look of the drawing actually changes. And again, the quality of these prints is really good. I was blown away when I saw both of the photographic prints because they look very different from the original drawing and the art print, because art print and original drawing are very raw, but the photographic prints have different finishes. First one was the matte one with the matte finish, and the second one was the metallic finish, which is more shiny and more metallic. And again, if you want, you can have the bigger sizes than this, the medium size, the larger size, and the extra large size. So these were the photographic prints. Now let's see the last option we have, which is this big. So this is actually the poster of my drawing. So as you can see, this is really big because it's a poster, and this one is the smallest size. Yes, because it's a poster, this one is the smallest size, but still it's really big. And I don't know, for some reason it is a little weird to see your drawing in such a big size. But even if it is in such a big size, the quality of the product, it doesn't change at all. It is exactly the same. Because of the high quality scanner, the image resolution is really high, and that is why even if you get such a big size print, the image, the drawing will not change at all. It won't get pixelated at all. It will be still the same. So these are the four options you have. The prices and the options in all of my drawings will remain the same. Let's just have a quick look in all of the options we talked about till now. were all the options and the types of prints which you can get. Now let's have a look on my Redbubble page and I'll show you how you can choose from the variety of options. So this is what you'll see when you enter my page on Redbubble. I'll be sharing the link in the description box, or else you can also find me by typing Aayush pencil art at the search box. And these are all the drawings that are available for sale and you can get a print from. As I mentioned earlier, these are some of my best drawings so far, and they are total of 17 drawing prints. Now when you want to buy a particular drawing, just click on it and then you can see all the further details which are necessary to continue the process. So when you choose a particular drawing, you will be first shown the photographic prints, and then you can choose from the sizes from small, medium, large to extra large. And because it's a photographic print, you can also choose the finishes. Like I mentioned earlier, the first one, the default one would be the luster photographic print, and if you want to get the metallic one, you just click on it and then move on to the metallic one. However, this option will only be shown in the photographic prints, and then the price of the print will be shown just below it, and then you just have to add to cart and you can proceed further to get the print. Now if you want to get the other prints like the art print or the poster, you scroll down and there you will have options where you have to choose the available products. So when you click on available products, you will see you'll have more options from where you can choose from. And don't forget to follow me on Redbubble so that whenever I do some changes or there are any updates or when I upload one of my new work, you will be notified and you will get to know. So do follow me if you want to be updated. So let's say I want the poster, I click on it and then you can choose from the sizes small, medium and large, and then you can proceed further. So that was all about the print. I'll be adding more of my work in future. So whenever you like one of my drawings, you can get a print of it from my shop, and it will help me a lot to create more awesome content and to create more awesome videos. You guys have already given me a lot of love and support, which I appreciate a lot. Even if you can't get a print, you can support me by sharing this video with your friends. That would also be a great help to me. I appreciate all of you guys and all the love that you have given me so far. I'm really happy to share some of my drawings with you guys, and just the thought that some of my drawings will be there in someone else's room, and that's why I am so happy, so excited and so hyped up about this. I really wish this goes well. If it does, then I'll be able to do so much more which I always wanted to. And again, all the links are in the description box, so go check it out. If you like this video, then don't forget to drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. And if you're not part of the channel yet, then don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content, for more awesome videos, and also ring the bell so that you get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. And that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.